Hello, hello, it's the Rock Slot, and this is one of the ones that I didn't cut. It's just all glued out, and really, I think it's just this sort of triangular pyramid looking part. I mean, the color's not bad, so I think we're going to try this, see if I can get some sort of dome out of that. Alright, let's go. Let's see. Make something out of it. Pretty high. First mouth test. Don't do the mouth test. God, not much. And just go straight in. Back first. Do the back first. Do a check. Just make sure we're not going to ruin the whole stone or it's reacting funny to the ram. And we're looking really good. See all the edges. Let's have a look at the trap, and we'll be done. Very nice. A little light. I like the streaks through it. Pretty cool. Hope you like it. I like it. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for popping in today. And for the next one, take care of each other. Most of all, take care of yourselves.